Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about Magic Eden, what it is, and how you can be potentially be eligible for the airdrop. Before I get started, I just want to say nothing I say in this video is financial advice. So, what is Magic Eden? Magic Eden is basically the biggest NFT non-fungible token marketplace for Solana. So they started off with Solana, but they do support Bitcoin, Ordinals, Ethereum, Polygon. So they're the biggest project on Solana, or one of the biggest. So this is their Twitter. You can see it. They got 500,000 followers, and their Magic Eden actually got quite popular in the last bull because Ethereum fees got very high, and I expect the same thing to happen this time. I know there's going to be some L2s doing NFT stuff, but yeah, Solana, I do expect Solana ecosystem to pick up, especially the NFT space. So let's just before we go into the task, I just want to talk about more about the actual raise, just to give you an idea of the caliber of the project and the investors. So they've raised in total 160 million at 1.6 billion valuation. So for a non-layer one project, guys, for a non-blockchain project, this is very high. This is considered very good. Obviously, if they launch a token, buying the token, that's a whole different topic that maybe I'll do if they do launch a token. You can see the investors, they got Greylock Partners, Paradigm, Sequoia Capital, Solana Ventures, Electric Capital, Variant. So they're all very good. I believe that's Spencer Noon, and I forgot the other. He was I'm pretty sure is ex A16Z. Electric Capital is obviously Hasib's fund, and yeah. So Lightspeed Ventures. These are all high caliber, very good tier one investors, especially Paradigm. And Paradigm is actually known to invest in a lot of projects that have done airdrops, very good airdrops actually. So yeah. So yeah, guys, if they do an airdrop or anything like that, it will be considered to be extremely high, and there will be a lot of hype, and it will definitely be a buzz in the marketplace. Anyway, so let's look at what is just some of the news, some of the recent news. So recently they said that they're collaborating, they're partnering with Yuga Labs. And as you know, Yuga Labs is a very high esteemed, high caliber NFT project. I know there's some drama about it, but that aside, the caliber, the partnership is goes to show. It shows more about the caliber of Magic Eden. And here, so let's get into the actual task that you want to do. So basically, I don't know if you guys know, but Blur had this like a point system before they done the airdrop, and the speculation is basically Magic Eden has something called diamonds, which is basically like their points system. And the idea is basically the more diamonds you have, your airdrop will basically be based on the amount of diamonds you have. So the good thing is you can earn diamonds through free ways and paid ways as well. So we'll basically get into that. But here you can see they basically announced the diamond feature, and this is basically a quick thread on it, which I'll go into more later. But yeah, so there's that. Here there's also they got their blog post talking about diamonds as well. Okay, how you can earn diamonds. There's 4 ways you can earn diamonds: through listing NFTs, through bidding on NFTs, completing your profile, which is obviously free to do, and daily quest, which I'll show you. Basically, just logging in every day and clicking a button to claim your token. So you would basically add this. Actually, we'll talk about this a bit more later when we get to it. So so here it is. I've logged into the account, and yeah, I've got my quest. So what you want to do is every day just bookmark this. I probably don't have a video, but basically there's like 5-10 things I do in the morning on my browser. It just takes like a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and it's just different things claim because they might do an airdrop or something, like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. If you just even CoinStats, if you just log in, there's like points or claim you can claim every day, and they might not mean nothing, but they also say just 1 second to do. So the risk to reward. I mean, if you ain't got no time or then I guess, but anyway, so you just add this to that. I've got maybe I'll do a video on that another day, but you just can claim these points every day. Okay, so daily quests you can claim these. So this is one way to earn the quest. And then here you can see by listing bidding, you can earn more points, and then by completing the profile. I haven't done it yet. I plan to do that. Actually, I think I can claim it now, but anyway, I'll do that in a bit. So yeah, I actually didn't pay much attention to Magic Eden. I'm not sure why, but yeah, now I'm definitely going to be a bit more active in the Magic Eden and the Solana ecosystem in general. So yeah, so that's basically quests and diamonds. You want to claim as much as diamonds you can, because that's basically going to be your number one way, or number one way I believe that they're going to determine how much airdrop to give you. So yeah, you can see that's just me. Like you can fill up your profile settings, and then here is a magic ticket. So what you want to do is you want to, if you want, so basically the speculation that if you have this NFT, this magic ticket NFT, you might get more airdrop, or it might be a criteria for getting it. And what this allows you to do is, I've actually bought one as well. It's like $60. So what this allows you to do is basically join some of the governance channels on Discord. So then you can basically help out with the governance, like vote on various things or give them feedback, etc. And so I do believe this is like a really high criteria on being eligible for the airdrop. So it's up to you. I know it's kind of cost, but it's one of those things that if you think it's worth it, then that's totally up to you. So yeah, obviously I'll put the link in the description. And so once you've got it, you need to go here and you basically click on this link and then basically verify yourself. And then next thing you'll see in the 5 minutes, you'll have the certified owners, you'll have these DAO channels, Magic, can you see here? Magic DAO, etc. So you can basically, you'll be able to join all of these DAO channels. And then once you're part of the DAO channels, guys, like actually participate, because this is not just like, doing the bare minimum for their, actually just try to help the project out. Literally when you use the product, you can go there, give them feedback, etc., or participate in some of the announcements, etc. So that stuff definitely does help projects out. And then here we have basically they talk about recently that they've changed the way to do the verification. So you're gonna have to click on this, which will take you to the other post. So I guess you don't really need this, because I'll link the other post in the description. And lastly, guys, just basically follow all their social media, etc. Follow their socials, follow their Twitter, the Telegram, etc. And just be active and basically use their platform. So if you actually need to buy a Solana NFT, just come to Magic Eden rather than going to another place. If it's available on Magic Eden, just buy on Magic Eden. You get it? So like using the actual protocol will basically make you most eligible for the airdrop, because that's what project want. They want actual legit users. Okay. So anyway, guys, I hope you got value from this video, and I will see you in the next one.